Step 1. Open all straps and the BOA dial before stepping into the back of the brace. Step 2. Secure both posterior ankle straps. Pull the top strap around the back of the calf and secure. Then pull the bottom strap around the back of the ankle and secure. Step 3. Push down on the BOA dial to lock into position. Turn the BOA dial clockwise to tighten the laces for a secure and snug fit. Step 4. Pull the ATF cross strap through the buckle and secure. At any time, you can adjust the level of support by tightening or loosening the BOA. To loosen the Boa Fit System, pull on the BOA dial, which will release the laces.